My name is Kyle Oconte and I'm the director for Stellaluna. Stellaluna, the play, is based on Stellaluna, the children's book, and it's a lovely story about a little fruit bat who gets separated from her mother and is lost and alone in the forest and happens to fall into a nest full of baby birds. And they become friends, they learn about each other's ways, and find out that even though they're very different, they're very much alike.
Hi, I'm Leah Burst, and I'm Stellaluna at Theater of Youth's production of Stellaluna. My favorite part in the show would probably be when Stellaluna finds her mother again, because it's so heartwarming and it just brings the story all together and shows the kids that, you know, even if you do get lost or if something happens, you will always find your way back home. And I think that's such an important message for kids. Now, let me show you some stuff backstage.
Go, go, go.
Everyone should come and see Stellaluna because it is a beautiful story that has so many messages on so many levels. Learning about people's differences and accepting them for who they are and their differences, and learning self-reliance and learning not to ever give up. Those are great messages whether you're 4 or 84. So and it's the puppets are beautiful, the singing and the music is gorgeous. The set is beautiful. It's just a wonderful experience in the theater.